Hello everyone. The video here is all about our minor project that we have done, and under the guidance of Chandra sir we have done a project on hotel management system using PHP and MySQL, and my name is Nitin and my teammates are Vishmant, Sai Krishna, Vidya, Sadhvi. So before going into the project, let me tell you what actually our project gives us. The main aim of the hotel management system is to automate its existing manual system by the help of computerized equipment and full-fledged computer software, fulfilling their requirements so that their valuable data can be stored for a longer period with easy accessing and manipulation of the time. So basically, the project describes how to handle good performance and provide better services to clients. Also, this project can lead to error-free, secure, reliable, and fast management so that this system will help the organizations in better utilization of resources. Here, the abstract will give you the overview of our project. So, it is to create a hotel management system which will make booking a hotel a seamless and hassle-free experience. It also provides a smooth experience to the admin who is able to view all the information in regards to rooms, reservations, users currently using the system. So, the purpose of this project is to make a hotel management system to make it easier to manage rooms in a hotel, and rooms can be booked based on their category and the capacity of the people. And also, admin user can also manage the details of rooms, viewing books, viewing users, and add rooms and deletes and etc. And here is the reason and the motivation and the background that we have faced in order to do this project, and these are some points that need to be focused on. And let me tell you these points. Hotels face various challenges in managing reservations of rooms, check-ins and check-outs, room services, availability, and etc. and so on. So, traditional room booking methods often leads to inefficiencies, and by incorporating new technologies and innovations into the system, the smart online hotel management system can solve the problems of traditional hotel management system. Usually speaking, for every project, there will be some points need to be focused on before going to do any project. So these are our objectives that we have focused while doing this project. So I will list out for you, like making tasks like booking rooms and checking in guests easier, and managing rooms and providing services made easier for the staff, and can also avoid using paperwork by using computers which can be more manageable. Work with other systems and tools to add new features if needed. Until now, I haven't given you any brief introduction to our project, what actually it is being designed to. So, generally speaking, it is designed to override the problem of existing manual system where the web application is supported to eliminate and reduce the hardships faced by manual system. And also this application is reduced as much as possible to avoid errors while entering the data, and it also provide messages while entering invalid data. So no formal knowledge is required for the users to operate the system. Overall, our main aim is to be made the users to think it as a user friendly. So in hotel booking management system, we use PHP and MySQL database. This project keeps the records of booking, clients, and hotel services. So, in the field of development, these are some researchers who already worked on the same idea that we have introduced in this, that is hotel management system. And these are four researchers who had already took, we have taken some references from this so that we could use in our project. So 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 speaking of existing systems, basically these systems have some restrictions that are posed on members, and there is only limited access to a selected group of members within the organization, and potentially excluding customers from the utilizing the reservation system. So, due to limited accessibility and lack of mobile compatibility, users may experience barriers and inefficiencies in the reservation process, resulting in a less satisfactory experience overall. In the in the previous slide, I already spoke on existing systems. So here are some disadvantages of existing methodology. So in the current situation, every hotel management system have some major issues, so that can lead to irritate the employees and increase the risk of mistakes in day-to-day tasks. They might not work well with other important hotel tools, so it's hard to share information between them. It can be expensive and time consuming to customize and improve a hotel, which makes it challenging for them to keep up with evolving customer demands and technology developments. Problems with reliability like slow performance and system outages can interfere with hotel operations and negatively affect visitors' experience. There is We have found some gaps in already existing hotel management systems, and here is the list that we have identified the gaps. We found some things missing in what people already know about hotel management systems. Most of the research talks about big hotels, but we need to understand how smaller hotels work too. And also, while we know about fancy new technologies like robots and stuff, we don't really know how to use them in hotel management systems, and also don't think enough about what guests want. I like if they like using their phones to check in. So when hotels get new systems, we usually don't know much about how to teach the people who work there to use them. We think it's important to study these things more to make hotels better for everyone. How did we encounter this idea is like by approaching problem identification methods. So here is the point that I would like to speak on. Traditional hotel management does not include all functions such as the location of the customer, the amount of payment for the reservation, and what they are doing right now. Additionally, most hotels were experiencing a lot of issues affecting their reliability, performance, efficiency, effectiveness. By considering the problem statement that I have spoke previously on this previous slide, here is the proposed methodology. So let me speak on about this thing. The hotel management system project proposal gives solution to the major problems faced by various hotel management. It includes a brief introduction of the project, problem statement, solution, and scope. Moreover, the system is primarily responsible for hotel management in the database core section and can be accessed at any time. It also gives information on the various hotel services as well as their current status. Guests can come to the website and register with the system by providing the required information. So, for every project need to be developed, we need to have some blueprints before going to start a project, right? So that we call it as a system architecture, where it shows the relation between the tables and correlations between the attributes that are in the tables. So here is some system architecture that we used in our project. So we need to implement this project before going to start, before going to develop it. So here is some approaches that we have used in our project. So those are requirement analysis, system design, database design, backend development. So let me have some brief talk on what they might be. So let me speak on requirement analysis. This is generally defining the scope of system, including functionalities such as room booking, guest management, inventory control, building, reporting, and user authentication. When it comes to system design, we need to mainly focus on architectural system, considering factors like scalability, security, and ease of maintenance. So it also involves created a data model to represent entities such as rooms, guest reservations, inventory, and items. So when it comes to database design, we probably speaking on designing and implementing the database schema using MySQL, ensuring normalization and efficiency, and defining tables for storing information such as room details, guest information, reservations, inventory items, transaction records. So backend means developing server-side scripts using PHP to implement business logic and handle interaction with database, ensuring data validation and sanitization to prevent security vulnerabilities such as SQL injections and cross-site scripting. Here is the results that we are supposed to show you. So let me speak on something on about it. And this is the home page that we have designed, and underneath that there is a page that is to use customers to log in and sign up. And here is the dashboard. It is only visible to the admin, and underneath that this is like adding room or deleting and all the necessary features that including in the process of room category. And next is facility. Managing rooms will be taken in this section. You can see here we will also provide images to ensure that customers could have better experience. And here is the overview of how many bookings have been taken, and along with their information, customer information, name, email, mobile number, booking date, status, and auction. So, and also here is the page of invoice. You can overview all the information you have given after, like you can see here booking details, room details, admin remarks, and etc. by also providing you the booking number. And here is an inquiry to look after the customer has booked, whether it is in an active state or an inactive state. And that's it for our hotel management system, and it is the final page where the report is being given after the customer exit from the hotel. And we already have some few things we can do to make our hotel management system even better. One idea is to use smart technology like AI and IoT devices. This can help us predict things like how many rooms we will need and even suggest personalized recommendation for guests. Adding a mobile app for guests would be super convenient, letting them book rooms on their phones and check in out without having to wait in line. We could also think about expanding our system to work for multiple hotels or connecting with other services to make everything run even smoother. And thank you everyone.